Factor Meals Keto Plan Review. Factor's Keto Plan offers fully prepared, low-carb, high-fat meals delivered weekly. Each dish is designed by dietitian to keep you in ketosis, usually under 10 grams net carbs per meal. No prep, no guesswork, just microwave and eat in 2 minutes. The flavor, surprisingly solid. You get dishes like keto poblano bowl, creamy garlic chicken, and spicy turkey pesto bake. Meals rotate weekly and never feel boring. That's rare for keto plans, which often repeat the same combos. Factors use antibiotic-free meats, organic veggies, and no added sugars or processed fillers. This is important on keto, where hidden carbs can kick you out of ketosis. The meals feel clean and energizing, not heavy or greasy. If you're tracking macros, the meals are labeled clearly with calories, fats, protein, and carbs, so it's easy to stay on track. Most meals have 500 to 650 calories with about 30 gram plus protein and healthy fats, perfect for keto goals. Downside, the price. It's more expensive than cooking your own keto meals, about $11 to $13 per meal. And if you're doing strict keto, you still need to be selective with your options. If you want no fuss, clean keto option and value convenience, Factor Meals Keto Plan is great choice. It takes the planning and prep out of keto, and the meals are satisfying. Just be ready for the premium price tag. So that's it.